I would like your help to create the world's greatest hair club. Entitled Millionaire Hair Club, this is a club especially for hair weavers, braiders, salon owners, barber shops, and beauty supplies, and for the common hairdresser, student, or I want to be. Let's conceptualize the Millionaire Hair Club together. It will be an exclusive and comprehensive club offering an array of unique experiences, educational opportunities, and networking events for hair professionals and enthusiasts. Club name: Millionaire Hair Club. Club motto: where the art of hair meets the world of fair. Oran Z. Membership categories: Premium Professional, for salon owners, barber shops, beauty supplies. Hair Artisans, for CCs, hair weavers, braiders. Rising Stars, for health and beauty students or those aspiring to enter the field. Classic Enthusiast, for common hairdressers and hair lovers. Key offerings: workshops and webinars, regular professional development workshops, webinars, and master classes from the leading experts in the industry. This includes famous hairstylists, salon owners, and entrepreneurs to share their experience and knowledge on both technical and business-related aspects. Networking events, annual galas, meetups, and other networking events to help members connect with like-minded individuals and potentially profitable partnerships. Trend updates, regular updates on the latest hair trends, styles, techniques, and products to keep members at the forefront of the industry. Business consultations, access to business consultants and industry experts for advice on running a profitable salon, barber shop, or beauty supplies store. Product discounts, discounts on hair products, tools, and equipment from partner suppliers and manufacturers. Mentorship program, a platform to connect experienced professionals with beginners for guidance and support. This program will be particularly beneficial for the Rising Stars members. Portfolio Showcase, a dedicated platform for members to showcase their work, providing exposure and the possibility of attracting new clients or job opportunities. Exclusive trips and experiences, organize exclusive trips to hair shows, trade fairs, and industry events around the world. Investment opportunities, provide information about potential investment opportunities in the hair care industry. Community building. To ensure a strong community, the club will have an online forum where members can share experiences, ideas, ask questions, and even collaborate on projects. The club will also maintain an active presence on social media platforms. Charity work. The club will engage in charitable activities, communities, or organizing fundraising events to support charities related to health and beauty. In conclusion, the Millionaire Hair Club will not only be a hub for learning and networking but also a place to grow and flourish in the lucrative world of hair. With this concept, the club aims to promote professional growth, create a strong community, and contribute to society while keeping hair and being fair at the heart of it all. Your brother Oran Z.